Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize your gas cans to make them fast pouring and easy to go. Okay, so we just ordered this Midwest 5-gallon diesel can, which fills up our tractor, and we also have ordered several gas cans, and we've done this to every one. But what this does is it speeds it up. This thing here bust every time. It ain't gonna last very long, and really this whole nozzle is not very good, so it cost me extra money, an extra 13 bucks, but to customize these cans. But I'm gonna show you what we do here. Okay, so one of the things is this little thing here gets caught, so right on here. So I used to just cut these off, and then I take the red thing out, and that would help me, but that's not really what I'm going to show you today. Yeah, these cans come with this screen in there. I just yanked this out, okay? And you can buy this kit right here. I'll show you what that is here in just a second. You buy these on Amazon. These are about $13. This fast flow nozzle. They got different ends depending on which type of gas can you have. I use Midwest for these type, and I use Scepter for the military ones, and they'll fit either one. You got this big flexible tube. This actually has a third piece to it, so this actually you can make it a third longer. This is a nice little cap. If you just don't crack this down really hard, it vents. It's going to be fine, okay? And then this goes right on there. It's much more maneuverable. You can get this thing into your tractors and your gas tank. The problem with these things is you got to be pushing down when you do it, and it's just a big pain. So I just throw those away. This just screws on here like this, and then this you could take apart if you want, or you can put the extension on and make it longer. I use these on my boat, use them on my lawnmowers. This is for an extra 13 bucks. And here's the other thing you get one of these vents right here. So we're going to show you how you just drill a hole, pop this vent in, and when you're pouring gas now, it's fast. And if you don't want it fast, you just close up your vent, so you got more control over it. So I'm going to show you how you put this this part here in. All right, so they'll tell you in the instructions what size drill bit this is. I can't remember, but anyway, you just run it through. I put it right here on this flat part myself. Okay, just like that. And then you gotta make sure you ream it a little bit, and you got to get all that stuff out of there. You don't want to leave that yellow stuff up in there, so you shake all that out like that. Okay, now we're going to put this vent plug in there. You just line it on up and beat it on in there. Oops. There. And here you go. Now you got your vent plug. Okay, this goes on here. And you will be filling up things really fast now. And if you want to slow it down, like I say, you just put your thumb over this hole, or you just put this cap back on, you can have it slow. But it's much better for filling up things. So it's an extra $13 for the kit, but I tell you, it's well worth it. And as you can see, I've outfitted all my cans here with these. These are Midwest, these are Scepter, they're military, and these are what my can holder holds on my lawn trailer is these, and it doesn't hold these types. So I got these for my boat and these for my lawnmowers. Okay, this is what I ordered on Amazon. It's called the Easy Pour Gas Can Replacement Spout, and ordered it out of Amazon, $13.10 plus tax. So there you have it. That's how you can make yourself a fast, very easy to use gas can or diesel can for an extra 13 bucks on Amazon. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and we're going to have a lot more videos coming out from Naples Lawn Service.